Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I had just gotten a package in the mail from my girl Alicia, a little friend mail, well not little, but a friend mail package. And I figured it would be fun to open on camera with you guys. I mean, I think I know pretty much everything that's in here, but I kind of forget, so it's gonna be just as much of a surprise for me as it is for you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it and see what we got in here. Okay. Oh, she has it all stuffed in this purse. That is so cool. Oh, there's a card. There's always a card. She's so sweet. Oh, that's so cute. These bags are a bad habit. Oh, that's so sweet. Thanks, girl. I always love your cards. You always have the cutest ones. Okay, so the first couple things right on top here are some e.l.f. products. Ooh. Yes, she got me the ones that I wanted. Thank you, girl. These did not show up in my Dollar Trees. So she found the e.l.f. Aqua Beauty Molten Liquid Eyeshadows. And I have a copper one that I found in the past at Dollar Tree, but my Dollar Trees never got these ones. So I have the liquid gold and the rose gold now. And I love these. These work really good, so thank you, girl. And she also got me this e.l.f. Matte to Metal Eye Primer Transformer in Twinkling Taupe. And I think I saw Pretty and Flawed haul this, and she swatched, I think they had two colors. She swatched both of them, and they both looked really cool. So I'm excited to play around with that. Okay. Oh, this girl is too much. She picked up, since I didn't have these in my Joann's, she picked up one of the Wrong Happy Planners for me, the mini ones, in the pink, because she knows that's my favorite color. I'm so excited to use this. Thank you so much, girl. You did not have to pick this up for me, because I know these weren't cheap, but I know these weren't cheap, but I appreciate it so much, and I will definitely get some use out of this. I'm so excited to look through this and play with it. Actually, let's open it right now. So here's what the cover looks like. I love it so much. It is so stinking cute. And we will try to flip through the inside a little bit so you guys can see a couple of the dividers. So there's one there. There's one. So cute. I'm so excited to use this. And I'm actually kind of glad that it's a smaller one, so I can like put this in my purse and take it with me. So, because I do already have a larger one. It's actually from last year, but I've been like using white out and stuff on the date so I can use it for this year too, because I don't know, I slapped off with it last year and forgot to like use it. I'm so bad at keeping a planner, but hopefully this one, since I can actually like take it with me and stuff, I'll get more use out of it. So this is so cute. Oh, that one, yes, with the shoes. Slay all day. Yes, girl. Yes, girl. I love her illustrations. They're just so girly and fashionable, and they're just awesome. I can't even explain it. I'm sure you guys understand if you're, you know, a Wrong fan too. So this is from July of this year to June of next year. So I'm really excited to use that. Thank you so much, Alicia. Okay. And I think there are actually a couple Wrong mugs in here that she picked up for me. Oh no, I spoke too soon. Oh no. That is so weird. Look how this broke. But that's okay, you know what? Because it's a clean cut, and I'm going to super glue this because I'm going to use these as a display piece anyway. So don't worry, girl. This one it'll be fine. There's a little chip out of the side there, but that's okay. That is so pretty. I love the design. So this one's actually a travel mug, and I think she had told me that these don't have the lids because that's why they're on clearance, and that's totally fine because I wasn't going to use the lids anyway. I hope this one's okay. Yes, this one is fine. Oh, I forgot this one. Yes. I can't believe these were $3 each, but so cute. Thank you so much, girl. And this one is perfectly fine. So I'm definitely going to glue that other one. It'll be okay. I think that's it. Yes, and then the purse. So she sent me this. Ooh, I didn't even realize this was Steve Madden. She sent me this purse that she had purchased for herself, but actually it's too small for her. And you know what? Oh, I'm so happy that this has a strap. I was looking for a crossbody bag today at Ross and couldn't find one, or not Ross, TJ Maxx, and I couldn't find one that I liked and that was like cheap enough because I didn't want to pay a ton of money. This is going to be perfect, girl. Thank you so much. So that's what this side looks like. And then this side, and it's Steve Madden. I think I forgot that this was Steve Madden. And then there's like some compartments on the inside. So yes, I'm excited about this, girl. I'm gonna start using this immediately. So that is everything that she sent me. So thank you so much, Alicia, for sending me all this stuff. I actually have a box, you know, getting filled up to get ready to send out to her soon. But I'm just so thankful for you and our friendship, and I really appreciate you always sending me some goodies that I can't find on my own, or things that you think that I might like. I truly appreciate it, and I love doing like swaps with you and stuff, and just thank you, girl. I appreciate you. I just wanted to share what she has sent me with you all real quick. Don't mind my hair. It's like second day braids. I've already lost a hair tie. I mean, it's whatever. So thank you so much again, girl, and thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys. So I'm back with another, what am I saying? And then she almost what? And Happy Planner collabs planner, because I know these weren't cheap on a plane. I'm see what's in here. There's a freaking gnat in here. I'm going to burn the house down. I think it just flew up my nose.